UI/UX design. We strive to deliver the highest quality standards so your users can effortlessly navigate and appreciate the digital world you've created. Game designing. Your tech partner for exciting games. Jtech Souls offer world-class gaming experience. Android development. We deliver a fully customized Android application with a user-friendly interface, smooth navigation, and the required functionality. Web development. Jtech Souls turns your ideas into a visually brilliant website, client-focused, customer-centric. Shopify store management. We help you craft a powerful and stunning Shopify store that drives sales and fosters customer loyalty. Etsy store management, offering a seamless, visually appealing, and high-performing online shopping experience. Amazon store management. Amplify your growth by leveraging Jtech Souls' trusted insights and seamless integration with Amazon. Social media management. Increase engagement and automate social media with content that builds brand loyalty and community. Branding. Our branding services help you make an authentic connection with your desired audience in a way that feels natural and compelling. Graphic design. The most well-planned business strategy would be ineffective without high-impact quality graphic design. Video editing. Jtech Souls offers comprehensive video editing services, empowering clients to effectively tell their stories in a captivating manner.